Hi students, welcome to second standard maths class. In previous class what we saw the cardinal and ordinal numbers in first lesson numbers. Okay, cardinal numbers means what? It is a counting number, it is a normal number 1 2 3. Okay, ordinal number means what? It represents the order of a number. Okay, for example the rank. Okay, the rank of the students, first rank, second rank, third rank. Okay, in the ordinal numbers first, second, third only differs. From fourth to any number there is only one th only adding the last position of the word. Okay, for example 4 th, fourth. Fifth, 5 means fifth, 6 means sixth. Okay, we are adding only th. Okay, that is called ordinal numbers. Okay, I hope all are very clear about the cardinal and ordinal numbers. Okay, today we are going to see the same number lesson. The topic is repeated addition, new topic. Okay, you know the addition. Okay, I already taught you that you know the addition and carry over sums. Okay, repeated addition means adding up together the same number. What? Same number. Okay, we are adding the same number is called repeated addition. Okay, in normal addition means the two numbers are differs. Okay, normal addition means that is the first number is 12, the second number is 14, means we are adding this two numbers and we get a total and a answer. Okay, repeated addition means we are adding the same number. For example, we are adding 2 and 2. Okay, this is called repeated addition. Okay, we are repeated means the number come again and again. Okay, repeatedly. Okay, see, 2 plus 2 means we are adding the same two numbers, 2 in the mind, 2 in the finger, 2 after 3 4. What is the answer? 4. 4 is the answer. Okay, see, it is like a normal addition. Okay, nothing bothers, it is like a normal addition. You already know the addition, but repeated addition is slightly different. Okay, the same numbers are given. Okay, the same number should be given, you have to add the same numbers. Okay, it is a addition procedure, the numbers will be same. Okay, it is like a normal addition, but we are adding the same number. Same number means it is a repeated addition, it will come again and again. Okay, in this method we are using the same number only. Okay, same number only using, we are using the same number only. Adding the same number is called repeated addition. I am again telling you that please remember that repeated addition means the number will be come again and again, the same number we are going to add the same number, that is called repeated addition. Okay, see some example, you will clearly understand. See, for example, add this 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, the four numbers are same, you are going to add this. Okay, first add this two numbers. 3 plus 3 means 3 in the mind, 3 in the finger, 3 after 4 5 6. What is the answer? 6. Okay, you are going to keep 6 in your mind and 3 in the finger, another 3. Okay, 6 in the mind, 3 in the finger, 6 after 7 8 9. Okay, what is the answer? 9. Okay, again add this 3. Okay, 9 in the mind, 9 after 10 11 12. What is the answer? 12. The answer is 12. Okay, you are going to add the given number which fulfilled. Okay, you are going to add continuously for the given number is fulfilled. Okay, until the given number is fulfilled. Okay, you are adding the same number only, this is called repeated addition. Okay, see the next one, 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. First add this 2 4. 4 in the mind, 4 in the finger, 4 after 5 6 7 8. Okay, 8 and 8 in the mind, again add this 4. 8 after 9 10 11 12 and 12 in the mind, add this 4 again. 12 after 13 14 15 16. Okay, what is the answer? 16. This is one method, you are going to do this like, okay, do this like do the sum like this. Okay, this is also another method, you are doing like this, or it is your wish, you are choose your way to add the repeated addition. Okay, see, it must, okay, you choose this way. Okay, it is used for book work. Okay, this method is used for book work, but this is your homework. Okay, I will give the homework like this, you are going to do like this. Okay, see, first consider the ones column, the number is same 12 and 12. First consider the ones column, keep 2 in your mind, 2 in the finger. 2 after 3 4, okay, same number, and add this 2, one in the mind, one in the finger, one after 2. The answer is 24. Okay, in the book work they are giving like this also. Okay, they are giving some pictures. Okay, again and again you are going to add, count the things in the picture and add the things. Okay, this is one example. See, first one, they are giving two balls again and again and again. You are adding this. Okay, first add 1 2, how many balls? 1 2 and 1 2 and 1 2. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6, how many balls are there? 6 balls. We are adding 2 plus 2 plus 2 means 6. Okay, it is the method for multiplication. Okay, it is the easy method for multiplication. Okay, we are adding the same number again and again means it is a multiplication. Okay, see the next one. Here 3 triangles and here 3 and here 3. We are adding this, we are getting 3 plus 3 plus 3 means 9. Okay, adding like this, 3 in the mind, 3 in the finger, and 3 after 4 5 6, and keep 6 in your mind, and again 3 7 8 9. The answer is 9. Okay, see, add this 1 1 1 1 1. Okay, you are going to add this 5 times. They are giving the flower in one time. Okay, see, 5 ones are 5. Okay, it is like a multiplication. Okay, it is very easy. Repeated addition is very easy. They are giving the same number again and again. You are going to add the same number. Okay, first consider the ones place and add the ones place. You are getting a answer, and consider the tens place. You are adding the tens place and you are getting the total answer. This is called repeated addition. Okay, I will give the homework for you. Today homework is do the sums. I already taught you that these two methods are used for book work, and this also book work, but I will give the homework like this. Okay, this is important. Okay, it is used for your exams. Okay, so I will give the homework for this type. Okay, so see, do the sums. I will give you 6 sums in repeated addition method. Here see, I will give the same number. Repeated addition means same number. You are going to add the same number. So I will give the same numbers. You are going to add this and write the answer. Okay, see the second homework. Do the book work page number 12 and 13. Okay, book work என்ன பண்ணும் 12 and 13. ஓகேங்களா, ரிப்பீட்டட் அடிஷன்னா என்னன்னு சொன்னேன்? ரிப்பீட்டட் அடிஷன்னா ஒரே நம்பரை திரும்ப திரும்ப நம்ம கூட்டணும். அதுதான் என்னது? ரிப்பீட்டட் அடிஷன். ஆட் பண்ணணும், அதுதான் ரிப்பீட்டட் அடிஷன். ஓகேங்களா, இங்கே பாருங்கள், ஒரே நம்பரை 2 டைம் கொடுத்துருக்கேன். நீங்கள் ஆட் பண்ணி எழுதணும். இது வந்து நார்மல் அடிஷன் தான். 2 நம்பரும் என்னவாக இருக்கும்? சேமாக இருக்கும். இப்போ புக்கு இல்லைன்னா நீங்கள் வந்து இதோட PDF அனுப்புகிறேன், அதோட ஆன்சர் மட்டும் எழுதி அனுப்புங்க. புக்கு வச்சுருக்கவங்க புக்லேயே எழுதி அனுப்புங்க. ஓகே, டூ த புக் ஒர்க் பேஜ் நம்பர் 12 and 13. ஓகே, டூ த ஹோம்ஒர்க் கரெக்ட்லி அண்ட் சென்ட் இட். ஓகே, புக் ஒர்க் கண்டிப்பாக பண்ணி அனுப்பணும். புக்கு வச்சுருந்தீங்கன்னா புக்கில் எழுதி அனுப்புங்க. இல்லைங்கிறவங்க நோட்டில் எனக்கு ஆன்சர் மட்டும் எழுதி சென்ட் பண்ணுங்கள். ஓகே, தேங்க்யூ.